Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have the April 2021 inspiration box by Brutus Monroe, and this one's called Prehistoric Party, and obviously this looks like it's going to be a ton of fun. I mean, yeah, we're talking little prehistoric birthday stuff or maybe other types of celebrations. I haven't really seen what is in this kit, but I am anxious to get looking at it. But how cute is that if you had this show up at your door? I'm definitely gonna have to keep this box and possibly like send something to one of my nephews in it because they will love it. All right, so let's take a look at what comes inside. Oh, it's got some cool stuff already. All right, I'm gonna set it off to the side and we'll pull bits out as we use them or need them or see them. All right, so, all right, I can already tell you our color palette is pretty cool. Here is our pin. Every month you get a pin, and check it out. He's adorable. He's a big pin. I love his little purple scales. Is that what you call them? Scales? He's so cute. Oh my goodness. I love that color palette. That is really pretty. All right, so we've got our little pin. Wonderful. Here's our sequin mix. Ooh, those are beautiful. Look at that purple. So it's purple, silver, green. Those are super pretty, and there are so many in here. It is 0.5 ounces. It's our sequin assortment, and I think I've mentioned this a few times now. I love how Brutus Monroe is packaging their stuff. That is so cool, and that is super pretty. Ooh, our ribbon collection. We have some green and some silver and some red, and you get 1 yard per color. Super pretty satin ribbon, very pretty. So we definitely have green going on. Oh my gosh, our foilables. Oh, you know I love the foilables, and I can already tell you I'm going to want to go crazy foiling. Look at that. Oh, so there are 8 in here typically. You get 2 per design, so there should be 4 designs in here. Oh, and I love it. Look at the solids. These are going to be fantastic to foil. So you get that one. Oh, and the footprints. Look at that. And then we even have our own little jungle scene. How cute. Oh, I love it. Love it. Oh, so we've got 8 of those. You're definitely going to see some foiling. And these are great because you can Copic color on them, you can ink blend on them, and I'll probably end up doing some of that as well. Because why not, right? You don't have to keep the background white. So that'll be fun. All right. Put those back in there. You're definitely going to see some foiling. We also have these sentiment strips. I love that they're doing this. I don't know how many months in a row they've been doing this. I think since February, I'm guessing. February, March. Maybe this is the 3rd month, but I love it. So you get 2 each. You get white and you get black, and they're all the same sentiments, but oh my gosh. So we've got Enjoy the Adventure. You are dynamite. Roarsome. You are a roarable. Oh, that's so cute. I love you. A massive thank you. Thanks for being a friend, Asaurus. Hello, my friend. It's a nonstop party. It's a Jurassic jam. That's great. You rock. You're the Triceratops. You're my favorite little dino. Party like there's no tomorrow. Smile with your teeth. You're unstompable. Fossil fuels my love for you. Oh my gosh. Pangea wouldn't even be able to split us apart. My love for you will never go extinct. Happy birthday. I'm sorry to hear you are Jurassic. Oh, geez, that's funny. Get well soon. I'd wait out the end of the world with you. I miss you. Roar means I love you in dinosaur, and you are the best. No, these sentiments are the best. You are Triceratops. Oh my gosh. And these are foilable also. So keep that in mind. You can run this through your foiling machine. And if you've never foiled before, be sure to subscribe because I'm going to do some foiling. I have to. I love those so much. You just don't even know. So Christopher, Michael, if you're listening, way to go. Okay. Ooh. We have some dino dirt. This is some prehistoric sand paste. All right, so I'm not going to have it dry yet, I suppose. So, but let me put some on some paper, and I'll see if I can do a very thin amount for you so that you can kind of see. We'll do it on some black, if I can get the black. And we'll also do it on a little bit of white. Let me just grab some white. Okay. And let's just put a little bit on there. I don't know, it may not even show up on the black, but we're gonna put it on there. Ooh, and it's got some really gritty bits. Oh, I like that. That's fun. That adds a lot of great texture. Oh, look at that. Super gritty. That's fun. Okay. So I'm going to try and let that dry a little bit. I may heat it with my heat tool just to see. Always make sure you keep that nice and closed up when you're done. But so it's going to be nice and gritty. I'm assuming it's going to dry with like a little bit of a brown tinge to it. But we'll see. And then we'll come back. All right. Let's get to our paper before I get to the stamp set. All right. Don't want to get that on anything. Ooh, we have a full piece of our silver glitter stock. And this stuff is great because it does not come off in your hands. Die cuts beautifully and you have a full sheet of it. And then we also have some great layering cardstock. We've got some green, we've got some red, got some black. That'll be great for sentiments and things too. We also have some silver, or some gray and some brown. So perfect. Great color combos here. So we have all of that, and now we have the stamp set. Okay, I haven't seen it yet, but I can't. Oh, no way. We also have the dies. Okay, we have dies. Oh, I love it. Oh, here is our stamp set. How cute is this? You get two little dinos in there. You also have a volcano. You have some cake. You've got, oh, look at that. It's eggs. They're like a balloon, but they're eggs. And you have some presents. You've got lots of dino feed. Lots of them. Small ones, big ones. You've got tons of little elements like a lollipop, whatever that little blowy thing is. You know what I'm talking about. Cupcake. You've got hats and swirlies and noisemakers and confetti. More hats. This is a great little set. Oh my gosh, it's just so darling. And then you have dies. So it looks like we have dies for both of our dinosaurs, our volcano, our cake, our presents, because you got 3 presents, so it looks like 1, 2, 3. We also have our hats. You've got 2 hats. And then we have our like little noisemaker, the trumpet. This is the lollipop, the cupcake, and what are your questions? That is awesome. I love that they've included a die set with this. So that's going to make this set, or this entire kit, and if it's still available and you're even a little bit interested, you definitely want to go snag it like right away, because all this stuff that's in this kit is worth way more than what you're buying the kit for. I mean, look at all that. Look at all this. There's so much in there. Okay, so it does darken up just a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see that. It does look a little bit more sand color once it starts to dry. I think it has a little bit more time it needs to dry. I did use my heat tool, but I would say that if you are in a hurry, this is something you're going to want to try and spread a little bit thinner. But we're definitely going to have fun using it. All right, so if you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification so you don't miss what I make with it. And yeah, I'm excited. I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.